What's this supposed to be?
It's tidal waves surrounding a heart that's being ripped up by claws. It's pretty intense.
It's scary.
You scared of it? I'm scared.
So the heart's broken.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want my heart to be broken.
It's okay, I don't have a heart.
It's true.
I do. It gets broken and fixed all the time. It's fine.
Mm.
I don't mind. I like hearts being broken. When hearts are broken, you start to feel stuff, and that's when you get creative.
It's true.
Yeah?
Have you had your heart broken?
I think I have.
I
It's
think I
more
have
I've
too.
broken my own heart, probably, really. I don't think anyone can break your heart than you break your own heart. Because you put faith in people that you maybe put too much pressure on people that you shouldn't. You know? You had your heart broken?
Yep.
Does it make you scared to put your heart out there?
No.
Good.
It's life.
Mm-hmm.
I really want my heart broken. Oh. I think 1.5.
1.5?
1.5.
Okay. Well, you're probably used to getting your way, so something's in your way probably really sets you. Right?
My first love.
Of course, always. See, I'm used to things not going my way, so I don't really.
Oh, shut up.
I don't really mind.
You're right.
I don't like to be the one breaking hearts. That's what this place is all about. Breaking people's hearts and hopes and dreams. Right? Someone's got to do it. We'll try to break ours. Eventually.
Right.
Well, you keep winning, you'll never worry about it. Right? It's hard to be safe around there, so. just ready to get out of here. Not get eliminated, but like go to the next step after all this.
Yeah. 30 days.
30 days and 30 nights. You ever see 30 Days of Night, the movie? The vampires in Alaska? Scary. They come out for the
No.
30 days of the year where there's only nighttime in Alaska.
No.
It's night for 30 days straight.
In Alaska, really? Is that true, though?
Yeah. So they come out. And they came and try to eat everyone, and the lead vampire is there. And he's looking at the guy and he says, "There is no God." I love that line.
What's it called?
30 Days of Night.
Smell like chicken marinade.
Probably.
Your hands, too.
Well, I was slaving away for you today. Slaving away.
I slaved away from you yesterday.
Okay.
Cooked you breakfast and dinner.
Well,
And
thank
you
you.
complained.
Thank you. No, I can't complain.
Yeah, you did.
Well, that's cute. It's cute, jeez. You take it so seriously.
You know you weren't. If I would have made turkey burgers, you would have not been kidding, so shut up.
They're the best. Your turkey burgers are the best. What can I say? You should make them so good then.
I don't have onions, though. I'm missing ingredients.
Maybe the onions. Maybe so.
You love that, don't you?
It's funny. You guys are funny with that. Dun, 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 dun. You know where you guys come up with this stuff.
I know, I don't know where we come up with it either.
Sweet one. Maybe we just need to talk to the boy on our own. Make sure he really is with us.
Mm-hmm. Like us three talking.
Mm-hmm. So we can just film each other.
Yeah. The boy?
Talk to the boy.
Like, should we even mention how, like, Johnny Mac has come with a pretty good campaign and we just want to know that we're not...
We could say anything. We just gotta let him know that we've never been doubting it. Like, even though we've been like thinking about it, he's gotta know that we've been solid behind him since the beginning. And he's gotta know that who his real people are. People, try to plant the idea that he wants to do a Ian Terry move and take out me or you or something.
Mm-hmm. But why do we... I don't even want to plant that idea in his fucking head.
No, but we want to counter it before it develops is the thing. No, you're trying to spoon it? Big spoon it? Jeez. Well, it'll be Bewitching Wednesday, so... I feel enjoying this like I'm right back in the door.
It's a horrible feeling.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, especially if he wins the HOH. It'll be the worst. We're done if that happens.
Mm-hmm.
But saying Steve out is just as bad. Alright?
Yeah, but I feel like Steve will get way more flustered in that competition.
You sneeze all over me? Oh, that's not funny. Huh? Huh?
I'm sorry.
Look, they're all sitting out there now. That's all right, I like your sneeze.
That's how you know when you really like me, because you let me sneeze.
I don't care. You can do whatever you want to. So take all right.
And then Steve will flip a tree.
So what if we talk to Vanessa and set up a strategy for Johnny Mac's return? It would require one of us, it would require us three, telling him we want to keep him, me, you, and Julia, make a deal with him, but then Vanessa flips with Megan James right before the vote, so we all have to vote the same way because they have 3 votes. So then it's 5-0, and he goes out because he realizes Vanessa and Megan James were the flippers. So he comes back in, he's angry at Vanessa, Megan James, he puts up Vanessa and James, we can keep Vanessa anytime we want. Because the worst case scenario is Johnny Mac comes back.
Vanessa won't like that.
She might, because she knows we have the votes. Where's my mic? Oh shit.
Oh.
The worst case scenario, he comes back and puts me and you up and then we're done. And then not even Vanessa can help it.
Ah!
See what I'm saying? Best case scenario, he already doesn't like Vanessa, right? She knows that. He comes back in, somehow wins HOH. Vanessa goes up with James.
He has no shot at winning the Days comp, though.
We don't know his day's comp. We don't know, though. I'm just saying, we could do that just in case he came back. Worst case scenario, he puts up Vanessa with James. We have all 3 of us are off the block. We vote whatever way we want. Right? Worst case scenario is he wins HOH and goes after us 3.
I don't think he's gonna come back against those girls.
Why not just get insurance, though? I think he might if it's something chance. You know how good he is at these chance games.
No.
That's his thing. He's got
He was so good at that stupid veto.
Yeah. He's good at all that shit.
What are they doing down there?
Going down?
Yeah, that's what I'm grabbing.
Thank you.